It's snowing. Good morning, everybody. It is harvest day 13, and after yesterday's video, I almost want to just skip harvest day 13 and go to 14. A little bit late going in here to work today. Wayne and I ran into town. He had an eye care appointment, and I had to drop off a bid to Indian Hills Community College for some ag leader gear. They're wanting it sounds like they're going to have a precision farming class, which is absolutely awesome. So now we're actually headed into work here to start harvest day 13. And just messing with you. And then it sounds like my dad was going to try and load a truck out of a bin so we can see what the moisture is doing inside the bin. Since some wet beans have been going in there, we've been running the fan, yada, yada, yada. And then we're going to unload some trucks and maybe go back to harvesting. But the weather is just not nice today. This is a daily thing as we get towards the shop. Everybody needs a blue color. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah, we're going to work. Okay. Okay. That's enough. Thank you. Thank you. Well, Dad and Andrew unloading that truck. I'm going to go work on this terrace that my dad pushed some dirt up on. He wants to make a block. That should do it. I extended the terrace a little bit there, and then I put a block, which is this part right here, on there, and all that does is it allows the terrace to hold more water while it's draining. That's gummy. So here's the situation. The beans are wet. We need to get these beans out because it's supposedly going to snow tonight, and then maybe in another 2 days snow again. We're way behind. We owe beans to Quincy, but Quincy's running a 15.5 rejection rule, and we've figured out that they're going to enforce that rule because we've had a load get rejected. Well, the humidity today is 87% or something like that. Lovely overcast. I don't think there's really a right answer on what we should be doing other than maybe picking corn. Dad's coming over here in the combine, so we'll figure out if they're wet. Well, as I turned off the camera, Andrew says we know they're wet, but we just don't know how wet. My guess, 15.5.
I'd say it's not going to be lower than that.
No. And for the non-farmers, 13% is where you want your beans. And I held up 6. I don't know why I held up 6, but it's 13, so it's really...
I'll hold up 7.
Yeah,
you hold up 6, I hold up 7.
Odd or even, bud?
This is even.
We're super busy right now. I got my drone out and flew it around for the first time this harvest. Check it out. Hopefully that turned out pretty cool for you guys. It's pretty neat to see some stuff from there, but I only had like 2 bars on the battery and 1 bar on the controller. I hadn't used the drone in quite a while, and it's been sitting in the truck. So it needs to get on the charger. If you guys like the drone footage, maybe we can do some more of that. Let me know in the comment section. But I think we're going to go look for some rocks or something. Do a loop. See what's going on. Rocks, Andrew. Rocks. Not cookies. I hope you know the difference between the rocks
I'd
and
rather
the cookie.
find cookies out here, though.
Yeah, I would rather find cookies too. Cookies sound pretty good.
Couldn't find a cookie in them or a rock in them.
I take it. There you go, Andrew. There's one.
Everybody needs an automatic rock picker upper.
He doesn't know that this is a boulder. Hey, he got it. Oh, look what you did. Look what you did.
Get in the back, Bandit.
Bandit, one of his traits is he loves rocks. Loves when you throw rocks. I mean, if everybody had a blue heeler, they'd know that. Time the truck jockey. So what's going on is Dad's just about got the Peterbilt filled and we're just dumping directly onto the semis there, so we don't really need the cart, or as in we don't need the cart, and we'll just go take the load on the Peterbilt back and he'll start dumping on the Hy-Vee truck. Oh good, you're driving. Okay, let's go. 2 paws on the wheels, please. You guys know the drill. Had to leave Andrew to finish the rest of that truck. My damsel is in distress.
Not all heroes wear capes.
Somewhere bibs. My damsel is no longer distressed. I got her tire off, put the donut on so she could go to volleyball practice. She volunteers as a volleyball coach at a local school. Andrew is going to take that load on the Volvo up and get it unloaded. Sorry about that. And we're going to try and finish this field tonight. That is, if it doesn't start to rain / snow in the next hour and a half. Uber is here. We went and got the header trailer because even if we don't get done with this farm today, because the combine does not have automatic fold down hoppers, it doesn't do so good out in the weather, especially snow or doesn't rain. Nothing good comes out of that, especially when you're harvesting soybeans. So it's going home tonight to get put under a roof, and to do that we got to take the header off, but let's just hope we get done with the field. Andrew, would you look at that? The first time this year the weathermen have been right. They said it might start precipitating at 6 o'clock. It's 5:55 and it's about to start. Congratulations, guys, once this year. Blue heavier, or is
That's snow.
Yeah, that's snow. So we're in rain. We're going to be taking a header off in the rain. Well, guys, in all the confusion of trying to get everything home last night before we got too much snow, obviously, we got a bunch of snow. I'm about to head out of the house, go drive around, see what's going on. Maybe we can switch to corn here actually today, which would be tomorrow's video, but if not, it's just going to be kind of a day off. Going to run around, talk to some seed customers, and we'll catch up with you on the next day then. See you guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Come on, bud, get in the back.
He likes me.
Oh yeah, of course he does. Because Bandit stayed with Wayne when I was in Des Moines, and Wayne fed him a whole box of treats. A whole box.